Alright, you ready? Let's go. Open the door and let's move out. Check the perimeter of this house. Kill the cat. It's fake. What the hell? It's a fake.
It's like taped down to it.
Check in the room. Oh, damn. Wait a second. It's fake. This is fake too.
What is Halloween? What's that?
I have no clue. Holy Jesus. Move in. Any sightings?
He just went in here.
Again? Push, man.
This is solid. It's like
Wait. That's solid. No one's gonna ever get through that. Let's just check the rest of the perimeter of the house. Shall we? Looks like they're just close. For who?
I don't know, whoever lives here.
Alright, let's get out of here. I'm getting the creeps. Let's check the downstairs.
Oh.
Oh my god.
Well, before he changes this place to Halloween. This is not good.
Oh, look at all these webs. Disgusting. Ugh. Crystal ball. Oh, black cat. Ew. Beware.
Look, tracks.
Follow.
Just leading to this room. Oh my god.
The death dinner table.
Oh.
Ew. It's disgusting.
Well, we gotta check if this is real. Oh, it is. Oh, it's all sticky. Spiders are eating it.
Ew.
Oh, look, spiders eating the rain.
Maybe a werewolf tore all this stuff up for their parents.
Whatever it was last year. Died.
Ugh.
That's a creepy mirror.
Ooh. Mork.
The morgue.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Wait a second.
Just the goddamn ghost.
Oh my god, what is this?
The eyeball. It's staring.
Oh my god. It was gushy.
Ew. Oh my god.
I'm really getting nervous when I see these things.
Oh my god.
Whoa. When I lean over here, that picture's like all demon-like. Try it. Right?
Yeah.
It's like turning into a skeleton. What is all these signs everywhere? Rest in peace. Rip. Remember.
Rip. 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 Rest in peace. Rip.
Oh my God, look. He's holding the chains.
Looks like Werewolf really did change this place to Halloween already.
Let's just keep moving. Let's head downstairs.
Oh, shit.
Oh, jeez.
Oh, demon. Demon red thing.
Stay away from it.
Ew. Oh my God. Giant tarantula. Right there. It's fake. My God. Mosquitoes
Oh
are...
my. That thing is dead. I don't even want to know. Just don't shoot it. Oh.
Let's go upstairs.
Oh. All those black organs, they already rotted. Oh.
Oh, let's head upstairs before that thing wakes up. Close the gate.
Alright, let's go over here.
Graveyard, vampire
So we were
castle.
just in the vampire castle. Oh, down that way.
Locked.
Closed off. Closed off.
Gotta head down there. Beware and keep out are the best signals we can get. You can take point.
Ooh.
How cute. Sawed off.
Which one?
I'll take that.
I think I'm more better.
So, why do you get this sawed off shotgun? Show the people what you have. Seriously, show the people what you have. Oh my God. How long does it take to reload? Try to reload it. Whoa. Terminator. Predator.
Oh, I love that movie.
I love that game.
Well, Terminator wasn't really that fun of a game. It was most of an arcade game.
Looks like it broke his eye.
Check over there. I'll meet you there. I'm just gonna check these guys out.
Takes like 30 minutes to reload. There's nothing much over here.
Just head over there.
No. So what happened? Sir, what happened? You okay?
That thing. It attacked me. That thing and fake. And there.
Hold it. No. Don't die on me.